guys, welcome back. So as you can see by the title, today I'm doing an unboxing. Yay! So this is so cute. It comes in this cute purple packaging, and let me go ahead and open this up for y'all. So I just want to say, I think the people at the post office were very rough with my package, and I feel like they damaged it. I don't like that, but it comes in this little bag. It looks like a purse. I really love this concept. So along with this cute purse, it is a thank you card. You're welcome. Ooh, she got money. Ooh, she rich. Luxury, okay. And you also get a bag of goodies. All right, so this is actually the business card. Ladies, get you a man who gonna swipe them visas. Okay, let me show y'all what I got in my bag of goodies. We got some lashes, and it comes with a wand. Look how cute this is. We got some hair clips, and we got a bonnet. This is quality. Okay. Wigman showing out. Let me open my purse. They didn't have to be this rough on my package, honestly. I got hair and clean underwear. I can't wait to install this. This hair is so soft. It doesn't smell like, you get some wigs and it smells bad. It has like a scent to it. This doesn't have that. So it has a little tag here. This is deep wave, 28 inches, 150 density, but it really feels like 180. If we speaking the truth, like look at her. Okay. Got the regular clips on the inside. I'm about to be snatched. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get her installed, and I'll be back to update y'all on the melt. Okay? Okay, so I'm back. I got my hair done, as you can see. And this is how it's looking. Ooh, don't look at this bump here, but look at how it's looking. I must say, this hair is popping. It is really popping. And like minimal shedding, so I got like one strand of hair. One more. I don't even think you can see it, but it's minimal shedding. The hair feels so soft. It melts into my skin. And let me show you the length. Oh my, why did I put on black? Let me change my shirt. Okay, I put on a white shirt to show you the length. This hair is popping, I must say. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I do have a coupon code, so check the description box. It'll also be on the screen here. And get you some hair, sis. Get you some hair, okay? I'm also gonna do a 1 month update, so check back so you can see how this hair held up. Obviously the install might not last a month, I doubt, but I'm gonna reinstall it and then update you on how the hair is doing, the shedding, you know, how the lace looks and all that. So stay tuned for my 1 month update with this hair. Okay, she's a runner, she's a track star. What? What you said?